Jumbo, Hotep Kings and Queens. Karibu to this episode of the So Did You Know lecture, where we share ancient African history and we enlighten our black brothers and sisters.
So be it. Go so be it.
So, a lot of people believe and are guided by the 10 Commandments. But where do these 10 Commandments really come from? And what inspired these 10 Commandments?
So let's look into where we come from as people, as the human race, as Homo sapiens, as we exist today. Where does the story start? We will unpack this story in both a mythological, historical manner, and we'll unpack it from a scientific and biological perspective. From a mythological perspective, what history tells us is, a long time ago, the whole universe was an ocean. It was known as Nu. There were no stars, no planets, and no people anywhere around. Everything was the same, everything was together, everything was one. Only Ra, the creator, the father of all fathers, and the mother of all mothers existed. When Ra decided to create the universe with the stars, the planets, people, animals, plants, and everything in the world that he could create, he emerged from Nu, the ocean, in a beautiful boat. He emerged in the form of a scarab, a beetle in ancient Egypt, which is a symbol of creation. The boat was held up by the ocean god, Nu. Ra says, "I am the creator of the universe, and I travel on my boat of million years. My head is a hawk, because my eyes see the world from up high, just as the hawk bird can see all the land while flying up above. I am the father and mother of all gods and goddesses, and all people as well. As my eye, the sun travels in the sky, I give light and energy to all the world through my sun rays, which are as soft as lotuses. With my sun rays, I touch everyone and bless them with life and warmth so they can remember me every day. From the sky, I look at all my children on earth. Ma'at, the daughter. Truth, justice, balance, order, reciprocity, harmony, and righteousness." Then Ra said, "How will I take care of creation? Because if I make something, it might fall apart. There must be some order to creation. Water should run downhill instead of up, and fire should burn up and not down. Otherwise, there will be confusion in the world. I will create my children, gods and goddesses, who will take care of creation for me." Then Ra created Ma'at, a daughter and a goddess. It will be her responsibility to keep order, harmony, truth, and righteousness in everything that I will create. Anybody who follows Ma'at will live in peace and happiness. Then Ra took another little bit of his body and he made his son Shu. Shu is space and air. Shu is the space around you, and this space contains air. Shu is also the breeze that blows. Shu allows you to be able to breathe. Then Ra took another little bit of his body and made his daughter Tefnut. Tefnut represents moisture, such as rain. Rain allows plants to grow, and it brings water for people to live. Tefnut is the powerful strength which is in the ocean of creation, and she is the source of vitality for all living things. Ra took another piece of his ocean-like body and created another daughter, the goddess Nut. Nut is the heavens, which consist of the stars, the planets, the galaxies, and the sky. Ra then prepared his ocean-like self and created a solid place where people can walk and called it Gab, the earth. Then Ra said, "Now I will sail my boat over Nut, the heavens, every day, and I will shine on Gab, the earth." After Ra had prepared Nut, Geb, Shu, and Tefnut, he instructed Nut to give birth to children of the earth. Their names were If all creation is made from my body, how will I talk with my children who will live on earth? Ra then created 2 more children, so that through them he can talk with everyone and bring them his wisdom and hear their prayers.
So, tribe, support our Sons of SOU channel. You know we're bringing the light. Like. Because you care, share. And don't wait another moment. Comment. So, tribe. Subscribe. Let us know Mambo on our socials below. Sawa? Kwaheri, So tribe.